In the annals of history, dating back thousands of years, the use of miswak, a teeth-cleaning twig sourced from the Salvadora persica tree, has been a common practice across many cultures, especially in the Middle East, Africa, and South Asia. This natural toothbrush, as some may call it, has been mentioned in Islamic traditions and ancient Ayurvedic texts, revered for its dental health benefits and its sustainable, eco-friendly nature. Now, let's delve into the age-old practice of using miswak. The process is simple yet effective. Begin by trimming or chewing one end of the stick until it frays, creating a brush-like end. After this, the miswak is ready to use. Just like a modern toothbrush, move the frayed end back and forth across the teeth, reaching every corner and crevice. One key difference is that miswak does not require toothpaste. The plant itself contains beneficial compounds that promote oral health. After use, cut off the frayed end, leaving it fresh for the next use. Remember to store the miswak in a dry place, as it can develop mold if left in a damp environment. It's a simple yet effective way to maintain oral hygiene without relying on plastic toothbrushes and chemical-laden toothpaste. Now, let's unpack the myriad benefits and uses of miswak. Not only does it clean the teeth, but it also strengthens the gums, prevents tooth decay, and freshens breath. The antibacterial properties of miswak help to combat harmful bacteria in the mouth, reducing the risk of cavities and gum disease. Additionally, the miswak twig is packed with minerals like potassium, sodium chloride, sodium bicarbonate, and calcium oxides. These natural compounds help to protect and strengthen the tooth enamel, contributing to overall dental health. But miswak offers more than just dental benefits. Chewing on a miswak twig can aid digestion, improve memory, and even sharpen the senses. It's a multi-purpose tool that goes beyond oral hygiene, offering a wide range of benefits for overall health and well-being. In a world increasingly conscious about sustainability, the use of miswak presents a viable, eco-friendly alternative to plastic toothbrushes. It's a small step towards a more sustainable lifestyle, one that also offers numerous health benefits. So, the next time you reach for your toothbrush, consider switching to miswak. It's a journey back in time, a nod to ancient wisdom, and a step towards a healthier, more sustainable